Hello, Grade 11! Since malapit na ang Term 1 exam sa General Science, ito ang Part 2 ng reviewer para makahanda kayo sa nalalapit nyong pagsusulit. Sa reviewer na to, babalikan natin ang most important concepts tungkol sa application of translational and rotational motion, physics of fluids, utilization of electricity, at light and sound. So, handa na ang inyong notebook at ballpen. Stay focused. Ang reviewer na to ay may 40 items reviewer question. So, let's get started. Question number 1. Which best describe translational motion? Letter A, motion in which an object rotates around an axis. Letter B, motion in which an object moves from one position to another. Letter C, motion that always occurs in a circular path. And letter D, motion that changes only the shape of an object. Question number 2. Which quantity is the rotational equivalent of linear displacement? Letter A, angular displacement. Letter B, angular velocity. Letter C, torque. Letter D, angular acceleration. So choose the letter of the correct answer. Question number 3. A bicycle wheel rotates about its axle as the bicycle moves forward. What type of motion does the wheel primarily exhibit? Letter A, translational motion only. Letter B, rotational motion only. Letter C, both translational and rotational motion. Letter D, no motion. Question number 4. Which pair correctly compares linear and angular quantities? Letter A, distance, torque. Letter B, velocity, angular velocity. Letter C, mass, angular displacement. D, force, angular acceleration. Question number 5. A dancer spins around on one foot. Which quantity describe how quickly the dancer rotates? Letter A, linear displacement. Letter B, angular velocity. Letter C, linear mass. Letter D, translational force. Question number 6. A person pedals a bicycle. The pedals rotate around the crack while the bicycle moves forward. Which statement is correct? Letter A, the pedal shows rotational motion while the bicycle shows translational motion. Letter B, both shows only translational motion. Letter C, both shows only rotational motion. Letter D, neither shows motion. This is question number 7. Why are rounded door handles useful in ergonomic design? So letter A, it eliminates friction completely. Letter B, it makes it easier to produce rotational motion. Letter C, it increases the mass of the door. Letter D, it prevents the door from rotating. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Question number 8. 2 points are located on the same rotating wheel. Which point has the greater linear speed? Letter A, the point closer to the center. Letter B, the point farther from the center. Letter C, both always have the same linear speed. Letter D, neither point has linear speed. So analyze carefully and choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay, so for number 9, what is the main purpose of a machine? Letter A, to create energy. Letter B, to make work easier or more convenient. Letter C, to eliminate all forces. Letter D, to eliminate motion. Okay, question number 10. Which of the following is a simple machine? Letter A, computer. Letter B, pulley. Letter C, motorcycle. And letter D, washing machine. Okay, let's check test 1. Number 1 to 10. For number 1, the right answer is letter B. Number 2, letter A, angular displacement. And for number 3, letter C, both translational and rotational motion. And for number 4, the right answer is letter B, velocity, then angular velocity. Number 5, the right answer is letter B, angular velocity. Number 6, letter A. 7, letter B. And for number 8, the right answer is letter B, the point further from the center. And for number 9, letter B. Number 10, the right answer is letter B, pulley. Okay, are you ready for part 2? So, test number 2. So, write on your answer sheet or your notebook number 11 to 20. Okay, question number 11. A seesaw is an example of which simple machine? Letter A, lever. Letter B, pulley. Letter C, screw. Letter D, wheel and axle. Question number 12. Which simple machine consists of a groove, wheel, and a rope or cable? Letter A, wedge. Letter B, inclined plane. Letter C, pulley. Letter D, screw. Question number 13. A ramp helps a person move a heavy box to a higher platform. So which simple machine is being used? Letter A, lever. Letter B, inclined plane. Letter C, pulley. And letter D, wheel and axle. Question number 14. Which is an example of a compound machine? Letter A, ramp. Letter B, wedge. Letter C, scissors. Letter D, single pulley. Number 15. A machine is considered efficient when letter A, produces more energy than it receives. Letter B, has less useful output than input. Letter C, transfer a large portion of input energy into useful output. Letter D, has no friction at all. So analyze carefully and which one is the correct answer. Question number 16. Why does friction usually reduce the efficiency of a machine? Letter A, it converts some mechanical energy into heat. Letter B, it creates additional useful energy. Letter C, it increases the useful output completely. And letter D, it eliminates the need for input force. Number 17. Which principle explain why a hydraulic lift can raise a heavy vehicle? Letter A, Newton's first law. Letter B, Pascal's principle. Letter C, Archimedes' principle. Letter D, law of reflection. Number 18. Pascal's principle states that pressure applied to an enclosed fluid is, letter A, lost immediately. Letter B, transmitted equally throughout the fluid. Letter C, transmitted only downward. Letter D, converted completely into heat. Which one is the correct answer? Okay, before we continue our review, can we ask a small favor? If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So maraming salamat po. Let's continue. Question number 19. Which device commonly uses a hydraulic system? Letter A hydraulic car jack. Letter B, thermometer. Letter C, flashlight. Letter D, electric fan. Question number 20. In a hydraulic system, a small force applied to a small piston can produce a larger force on a larger piston because, letter A, the larger piston has no mass. Letter B, pressure is transmitted through the fluid. Letter C, gravity disappears. And letter D, the fluids create energy. Okay, so are you ready to check your answer? Okay, let's check your answer from number 11 to number 20. The right answer for number 11 is letter A, while for number 12, the right answer is letter C. Then for number 13, the right answer is letter B, inclined plane. And for number 14, the right answer is letter C, scissors. Number 15, letter C. And for number 16, letter A. 17, the right answer is letter B, Pascal's principle. For number 18, letter B. For number 19, the right answer, of course, is letter A. And for number 20, letter B. Okay, so let us see if how many score did you get. If you want, you can share that in the comment section. We will continue our test reviewer on the next video. Okay, thank you so much and God bless.